Water is indispensable to life, but if you're not careful, you might spill, sprinkle, spray, or drip it. How are you going to quickly clean up those juice or beverage stains? Choosing the right tools is key. Bako from Germany has invented an all-new high-tech wipe cloth that Mom is gonna love. The high-tech PVA material, developed in a professional laboratory, doesn't leave behind cotton fibers or streaks and is ultra-absorbent. Every square centimeter has 27,000 pores. When it comes in contact with water, it instantly sucks it up. Absorption power is 4 to 6 times that of regular cotton cloth. Bako High-Tech Wipe Cloth is made from macromolecule PVA material. The soft, fine surface works great on skin and can instantly dry your hair and body after a shower or swim. The fiber-free high-tech material won't fall out after extensive usage. It won't irritate the skin or damage surfaces. Bako High-Tech Wipe Cloth is ultra-durable and built to last, with a lifespan 5 to 10 times longer than that of regular cotton cloth. The all-new and improved Bako High-Tech Wipe Cloth features 3D embossed design, wipe with ease, stronger absorption, more convenient. Enjoy quicker absorption to clean stains and grime. The non-fiber high-tech PVA fabric doesn't retain sand granules, so you can clean your car without worry of scratching. After rinsing, stains and bacteria won't stick around. It's created a buying frenzy in Europe. Whether it's wiping grime in the kitchen, toweling dry after a shower, cleaning your car, or drying your pet after a bath, Bako from Germany brings you the ultra-absorbent high-tech wipe cloth.